Why hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today is Allegro on the violin. Tutorial, step-by-step playthrough. Alright, Allegro, song number 8 in Suzuki Violin Book 1. This is what we call a plateau piece because we've learned a substantial amount of skill up till now, but we've leveled off with this song so we can kind of flex a little bit, show off what we know, right? One of my students' favorites. We have 4 lines in this song, 2 of which are unique. Pretty simple. So we have an A, B, A format. 3 A's and 1 B. Pretty simple. Let's do this. Line A. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3 on the E string. We have 3, 3, E, E, 1, 2, 3, 1, E, E, A string, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. I'm going to pluck it this time. Ready, and 3, 3, E, E, 1, 2, 3, 1, E, E, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. Now, this should sound familiar to you. 1, A, 1, 2, A. Do you remember where it's from? Go tell Aunt Rhody, our friend, was searching for that gray goose, right? Oh my gosh. So, Go tell Aunt Rhody is E, E, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. This song, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. Alright? So the genius of Suzuki is that he took that finger twister from Go to Aunt Rhody, brought it into our present song for review, but also to show you how much better you are now, right? The skill you've gained. Alright. Now, let's do that pizzicato up here. Okay? Since our form is AABA, let's do 2 A's in a row. Right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3 on the E string, thumb and pointer finger. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 3, E, E, 1, 2, 3, 1, E, E, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. 3, 3, E, E, 1, 2, 3, 1, E, E, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. Alright, go back and practice that if you need to. Let's do the B line. Alright, B line. First finger on the E string. It is 1, 1, E, A, 1, 1, E, A, 1, 2, 3, 1, E, A string, 2, 1. I'm going to pluck it this time. Ready, and 1, 1, E, A, 1, 1, E, A, 1, 2, 3, 1, E, 2, 1. Now, this B line is interesting because we have some markings, right? Underneath the B line, we have Dolce, which means sweetly. So we have to use open and closed elbow smooth, right? At the end of the line, we have RIT dot, which is short for Ritardando, right? So that means to slow our tempo down. Much like we say fire retardant, we spray something on the fire to push it away and slow it down. In this case, we're slowing down our tempo, Ritardando, okay? The last marking that we have is a fermata. Okay, it looks like a arch or a rainbow with a dot. Okay, my first violin teacher called it a bird's eye because she's like, oh well, it's like you have the bird's eye here, their brow and their eyeball. So it's like boop, bird's eye. Most people call it a fermata. All right, and what it does is it holds whatever it is over. In this case, it's kind of over the last note, but nothing after that. So it means that we can kind of hold that last note longer, or as long as we kind of want to, and then a rest. We can create a rest over nothingness for a while, and then start again and surprise the audience. So it builds suspense, right? Now, within reason, you don't want to hold things for too long, and your audience is going to be like, what's going on, or get bored. So, within reason. Here we go. B line, pizzicato. Let's do it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 1, E, A, 1, 1, E, A, 1, 2, 3, 1, E, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3 on the E string. Let's do the last line. Ready, go. 3, 3, E, E, 1, 2, 3, 1, E, E, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. Okay, so I think we need to do a super pizzicato practice now. We need to do the A, B, A. All in a row. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3 on the E string. Thumbs, pointer fingers. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 3, E, E. 1, 2, 3, 1, E, E. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. 3, 3, E, E. 1, 2, 3, 1, E, E. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. 1, 1, E, A. 1, 1, E, A. 1, 2, 3, 1, E. 2, 1. Ready, go. 3, 3, E, E. 1, 2, 3, 1, E, E. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. Ooh, let's put that all together with the bow now. All right. Now with the bow, there's some interesting things that we have to talk about, some skills, right? First thing, the A lines, quarter notes. 3, 3, E, E, and E, E, 3, 3, 2, 2. Okay, we have to do those staccato. The best way to do staccato, okay, some people like dig in with every single note. It's too much energy. What you need to do is have your E string right there and lean into your index finger here, okay? So you're going to push down. See how my bow is kind of pressing? We want to kind of have a constant weight on the string and then open and close our elbow. Okay? So what happens is that the friction from the weight that we push down gets broken by every push and pull that we do, and then the friction will stop the bow as well. Okay? So kind of you break the tension and then it slides and then it stops. Okay? So really we're just kind of keeping the weight and we're going punch, 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 punch like that. Okay? So let's do 3, 3, E, E, lean in, ready, go. You hear that? Pow, pow. I love that. All right. So that's the easiest way to do those staccatos. The eighth notes are going to be just regular smooth, open and close the elbow. Right? And then. All right. So let's do that. A and A with the bow. 1, 2, press down, go. 3, 3, E, E. 1, 2, 3, 1, E, E. 3, 3, 2, 2. 1, A, 1, 2, A. Bow circle. Again, ready, go. 3, 3, E, E. 1, 2, 3, 1, E, E. 3, 3, 2, 2. 1, A, 1, 2, A. Bow circle. Okay, now, line B. Okay, line B, Dolce, Ritardando, Fermata. Okay, so here we go. Super smooth. Open and close that elbow. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 1, E, A. 1, 1, E, A. 1, 2, 3, 1, E, 2, 1. Bow circle. Get your A line ready. Go. 3, 3, E, E. 1, 2, 3, 1, E, E. 3, 3, 2, 2. 1, A, 1, 2, A. Okay, see how it builds that tension, and all of a sudden it's dum, bum, bum, bum. So the audience is like, whoa, we're back to the A line again. So let's do A, B, A with the bow all the way through, bow circles at the end of every line. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Push down into that bow. Lots of energy. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 3, E, E. 1, 2, 3, 1, E, E. 3, 3, 2, 2. 1, A, 1, 2, A. Circle. Go. 3, 3, E, E. 1, 2, 3, 1, E, E. 3, 3, 2, 2. 1, A, 1, 2, A. Smooth. 1, 1, E, A. 1, 1, E, A. 1, 2, 3, 1, E. 2, 1. Bow circle. 1, 2, 3. Ready, go. 3, 3, E, E. 1, 2, 3, 1, E, E. 3, 3, 2, 2. 1, A, 1, 2, A. Okay. That's it. How'd you do? It's a tricky one with all of the bow things, but the fingering is pretty easy and super fun with the form AABA. All right. If you're successful, I will see you next in the playthrough, slow and fast. Bye.